well.
Here's a little buddy. He's crapped on everything else. That's down to a towel.
Oh man. That's what he's saying. Ugh. Oh, this could have waited. Oh, it could have definitely waited.
Oh, what'd your mommy get you?
Let me see.
Some deer phones.
That's not yours.
If your dad was here, he'd be going, those are some cheap shoes. Did you hear him last night?
Yes.
He kept
yes.
saying that.
Yes, I know.
Those shoes are cheap.
That and those dogs. He just like just sat back there speaking dogs. Alright. I hope my mom redeems herself for this one.
She might hear you.
I like it so far.
Confidence and spirit. Christmas.
Can I play with this?
Yeah.
In a minute, after Papa Mike opens up his gift.
Will it be the same thing?
See you make some new friends.
It's not the same thing. Arrow.
What does it say?
That's for me and my house and the server boy.
It's pretty.
Wheel.
Oh, that's good. Not like the prettiest type of wood, but it's good.
Yes, it's
You
wood
stay.
art.
You stay. Thank you, Mom. So you stay.
It's like
Ah.
Take a foot, turn around, let me see it. So I can show your mommy. Say cheese. That sun behind you is like causing such a glare.
hey, don't tickle me.
I wasn't all too pushy. Stay.
Can you open this?
Sure.
Hey, open it.
Well, I will.
What do you say?
Please. Please.
Okay, fine. Okay, get over there. Get lost. Get over there. I'll just get some space.
What would you want for Christmas? You.
Can I get white bead tape?
Because you're calling my name and I'm videotaping Papa Mike.
You stay.
Can I get this for the surprise?
What did I tell you earlier?
Mm-hmm.
The answer was no. If you have to earn it.